Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Shri Matre Namaha. Welcome to Veda Janani. Here you learn Devi shlokas and mantras with ease. I request you to listen first and chant along with me till you master it. It may take a few hours or a few days to master these shlokas, but it is possible if you dedicate a couple of hours a day with concentration. Whenever you are ready to learn and chant along with me, keep your mind free from all your routine thoughts and fix your mind on Devi. Bhagavad Gita, chapter 15th. The 15th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, often called as Purushottam Yoga, that is, the yoga of the Supreme Personality, which primarily focuses on ultimate reality, Brahman, using the imaginative way of an upside-down banyan tree, where the roots represents the divine, which are above, and branches representing the material world or below, emphasizing the need to detach from worldly desires and connect with eternal, supreme consciousness within oneself. The important things to be focused in this chapter are the upside down banyan tree, which is compared by Krishna as the source of creation, where the roots are upside down and branches manifestations are visible. Second, cutting off the tree of desire to escape the cycle of a rebirth, one must detach from desires and worldly attachments as cutting off the branches of trees. The third, concept of Purushottam. Lord Krishna describes himself as Purushottaman, a highest and most perfect being, further to both perishable and imperishable aspects of existence. Fourth, focus on self-realization. This chapter encourages seeking knowledge and understanding to realize one's true nature as a part of the divine, beyond the limitation of the physical body. He is Atma and He is us. This chapter contains 20 shlokas. Shlokas 1 to 11, Lord Krishna compares human life with banyan tree, cutting off desires to escape cycle of rebirth. Shlokas 12 to 14, Purushottama says he is sun, moon, fire, and he is all the plants that grow. He is the nutrition of the plant. He is the nutrition to the plant. He is oxygen. He is carbon dioxide for humans to live. He is the food we eat and he who digests the food also. In Shloka 15th, Parandama says, he is our heart, memory, knowledge, and he is Veda. Shloka 16th tells us about perishable and imperishable bodies. Shloka 17 to 19, Krishna Paramatma says, he is Supreme Divine Personality. The last shloka, number 20, Lord Krishna says, Arjuna, he who fulfills that is to be accomplished will become enlightened. With this introduction, we shall start chanting the chapter 15th. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Atha Panchadashodhyayah Purushottama Prapti Yogaha. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Urdhvamulam Adhashakham Ashvattam Prahuravyayam Chandamsi Yasya Parnani यस्तं वेद स वेदवित् अधश्चोर्ध्वं प्रसृतास्तस्य शाखा गुणप्रवृद्धा विषयप्रवालाः अधश्च मूलान्यनुसन्ततानि कर्मानुबन्धीनि मनुष्यलोके न रूपमस्येह तथोपलभ्यते नान्तो न चादिर्न च सम्प्रतिष्ठा अश्वत्थमेनं सुविरूढमूलम् असङ्गशस्त्रेण दृढेन छित्त्वा ततः पदं तत्परिमार्गितव्यम् यस्मिन् गता न निवर्तन्ति भूयः तमेव चाद्यं पुरुषं प्रपद्ये यतः प्रवृत्तिः प्रसृता पुराणी निर्मानमोहाजितसङ्गदोषा अध्यात्मनित्या विनिवृत्तकामाः द्वन्द्वैर्विमुक्ता सुखदुःखसङ्गैर्गच्छन्त्यमूढाः पदमव्ययं तत् न तद्भासयते सूर्यो न शशाङ्को न पावकः यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम ममैवांशो जीवलोके जीवभूतः सनातनः मनःषष्ठानीन्द्रियाणि प्रकृतिस्थानि कर्षति शरीरं यदवाप्नोति यच्चाप्युत्क्रामतीश्वरः गृहीत्वैतानि संयाति वायुर्गन्धानि वाशयात् श्रोत्रं चक्षुस्पर्शनं च रसनं घ्राणमेव च अधिष्ठाय मनश्चायं विषयानुपसेवते उत्क्रामन्तं स्थितं वापि पुज्ञानं वा गुणान्वितं विमूढानानुपश्यन्ति पश्यन्ति ज्ञानचक्षुषः यतन्तो योगिनश्चैनं पश्यन्त्यात्मन्यवस्थितम् यतन्तोऽप्यकृतात्मानो नैनं पश्यन्त्यचेतसः यदादित्यगतं तेजो जगद्भासयतेऽखिलम् यच्चन्द्रमसि यच्चाग्नौ तत्तेजो विद्धि मामकम् गामाविश्य च भूतानि धारयाम्यहमोजसा पुष्णामि चौषधिः सर्वा सोमो भूत्वा रसात्मकः अहं वैश्वानरो भूत्वा प्राणिनां देहमाश्रितः प्राणापानसमायुक्तः पचाम्यन्नं चतुर्विधम् सर्वस्य चाहं हृदि सन्निविष्टो मत्तः स्मृतिर्ज्ञानम् अपोहनं च वेदैश्च सर्वैरहमेव वेद्यो वेदान्तकृद्वेदविदेव चाहम् द्वाव इमौ पुरुषौ लोके क्षरश्चाक्षर एव च क्षरः सर्वाणि भूतानि कूटस्थोऽक्षर उच्यते उत्तमः पुरुषस्त्वन्यः परमात्मेत्युदाहृतः यो लोकत्रयमाविश्य बिभर्त्यव्यय ईश्वरः यस्माक्षरम् अतीतोऽहम् अक्षरात् अपि चोत्तमः अतोऽस्मि लोके वेदे च प्रतिथः पुरुषोत्तमः यो मामेवमसम्मूढो जानाति पुरुषोत्तमम् स सर्ववित् भजति माम् सर्वभावेन भारत इति गुह्यतमं शास्त्रम् इदमुक्तं मया नघ एतद् बुद्ध्वा बुद्धिमान् स्यात् कृतकृत्यश्च भारत। ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुन संवादे पुरुषोत्तमयोगो नाम पंचदशोऽध्यायः। I request you to subscribe to Veda Janani and hit a like and share with your family and friends.